That's the picture of my catalytic converter through the upstream AF O2 sensor. I'm trying to view just to see if I can see if the catalytic converter is clogged or not. It was a last ditch effort before I replaced the O2 AF upstream sensor. Before I put something else in that hole and clogged it, I just wanted to put this little camera in there and see if I could see. It seems like it's pretty clean. I don't really, well, right up top I might have saw some debris. It could be dark, I don't know. Not 100% sure, you know. But that's the catalytic converter from the O2 sensor hole. Before I replace this catalytic converter, I'm going to try to clean it. If it needs clean, I need to look through this thing to see.
I think it's on top of the catalytic converter.
What do you mean it's on top?
It feels like it's on top of it.
Miss Sandra Wilson working on my car with the camera. Just put the bore tool in the hole of the upstream O2 sensor there to see if I could look at the catalytic converter. Stand by.